Welcome everyone. This is Stephen Su from School of Biomedical Engineering and the Faculty of Engineering and IT. Today I will explain about the subjects of biomedical instrumentation. Actually, we based on the UTS Online. I will give an explanation. You log into UTS Online. You have a subject outline. In the subject outline, you can find the subject outline for spring 2018, and also you can see the study guide. So let us see the study guide first. So biomedical instrumentation, you can see it is a subject is concerned with the principles and the design of medical instrumentation most commonly used in hospitals and their applications. This is a hands-on subject where students are given integrated exposure to professional practice. The study of these instruments is limited to three major applications. One is cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, and disabilities. For each area, students study its physiological, electrophysiological aspects and background, measurements of biopotentials, and critical care analysis for monitoring and diagnosis purpose, principles and design of biomedical devices, and new development for better treatment of assessments in real world. The subject will also aim to encourage the practice of good design. Now let's look at the study guideline, and here is the most important information. And you can see the structure of our subjects. So basically, this 3 hours every week. So the first hour is mainly we give a very brief lecture, and normally we will put some video to introduce, and then I mainly will discuss with you about the video, and our main aim is help you to finish the project. So basically, this subject is project based. There's no final exam. So you can see we have two assignments and also one big project. So assignment 1 is mainly the literature review related to the project you selected. Normally it is 25%. And the second one is you design the instrumentation. Normally it's ECG or EEG. And this part is 25%. And the major project, the final project, is 50%. So together is 100%. So you can see we have a very planned due date you need to keep in mind when the assignments is due, because there's no final exam. All the determine whether you pass or not is based on the project. So you look at the structure. So in the first several weeks, we discuss about heart and the circulation system, and then we discuss the human nervous systems, and also we talking about instrumentation like ECG, EEG, and EMG. After the we give the seminar 1 is to discuss about mainly about literature review. Then you need to explain. I should emphasize is all the project-based assignments is individual, so you need to keep in mind. And after that, we will discuss applications. We discuss about e-nodes and implementable devices for heart diseases. And we will introduce some guest lectures to explain some excellent design examples. And we will also discuss brain-computer interface and its medical applications. And finally, we discuss about EMG-based rehabilitation systems. And the most important thing you can see is the project. So in week 1, although we will not give you very detailed explanation about the projects, but we will let you to think about how to find a good partner for your project, and you select the project as well. So you can see this is study guideline, and we have a project information as well. This is the marking criteria, lots of useful informations. We have several projects. First project is biomedical instrumentation-based projects. We have electronic nodes, wireless biosignal monitoring, and also head movement system, and assistive technology using hand motion system, and also EEG-based brain computer interface, and also health-based iPhone app, and also shock rehabilitation system design. And we also have biomedical control related subjects like projects like laser-based control system, and also velocity-based motor control using rail, and also torque-based motor control of ankle joint rehabilitation. We also have some physiological evaluation projects, such as evaluation of driver fatigue based on the EEGs. And we also have identification of EEG finger movements and also emotion recognition. And finally, we have modeling control of cardiorespiratory response to exercise. We will use portable gas analyzer. I also put some information in the subject documents, and you can see project resources. You can see the detailed explanation about the projects. For example, wireless ECG, you can read something, provided some papers, you can learn. Yeah, basically this is the brief introduction about the subjects. I wish you can learn them and have a good experience. Thank you.